Hello, this is question 1 of the 2022-2023 NECO examination. The question does: P varies directly as a square of Q and inversely as a cube of Z. When P equals 5, Q equals 3, and Z equals 1. Find the relationship between P, Q, and Z. And 2, when P equals 5 and Q equals 5. Now, let us express our equation given, which is P varies directly as the square of Q, and inversely it is with Z. So P, so rather than writing it in this form, so we can just put it in form of fraction. Now let us express this in a solvable manner such that the inverse relationship takes the form of K. We introduce constant so that we can solve the expression. Now we're not going to substitute the value that we are given so that we get the relationship between them, which is the constant. P is 5 and we have K. Our Q is said to be 3 and is raised to the power of 2 all over our Z, which is 1, all raised to the power of 3. So let us open this bracket. 5 equals, well, then we open this, becomes 9. 9K, it is better said that, and 1 raised to the power 3 is 1. So from there, so let us cross multiply such that 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5 and 9K. So from here we can solve for our K such that it becomes K equals 5 over 9. So we've been able to get the value of K. It is now left for us to introduce it back into the expression so that we can get a relationship between P, Q, and Z. So the relationship between P, Q, and Z is now P equals 5 over 9 Q raised to power 2 all over Z raised to the power 3. So this is the relationship that exists between P, Q, and Z. Now let us go to the second question. They said find Z when P equals 3. P equals 3 and Q equals 5. So we are going to substitute this value into this relationship, and we are going to find the value of Z that is not given. So it is this relationship that will tell the value of Z. So our P is 3, which is equals 5 over 9. Remember, there is a multiplication sign here, and our Q is 5 raised to the power of 2 all over Z raised to the power of 3. So let us multiply this so that we can get a simplified expression. 3 equals 5 raised to the power of 2, that's 25. 25 multiplied by 5, that gives us 125. 125 all over 9ZQ. Now let us cross multiply. So that will be 3 multiplied by 9ZQ equals 125. So this gives us 27ZQ equals 125. So from here we are solving for Z. So Z stands out, and it becomes 125 divided by 27. Now we are looking for the value of Z, and this is raised to the cube. So we are going to find the cube root of this so that we can get the value of Z. So Z equals the cube root of 125 over 27. So Z equals, if we look for the cube root of 125, that gives us 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So that is 5. And the cube root of 27, that gives us 3. So our final answer, we can leave our final answer like this, or we resolve into mixed fraction, which is 1 into 2 number, 1 whole number, 2 over 3. So thank you very much. For it is a series, and for solutions in other questions that are asked in 2022-2023 NECO examination, please check my channel for those solutions. Thank you very much, till I see you next time.